Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today I have for you a 2003 Case 40XT rubber tired skid steer loader. Unit has 4,291 hours on it and is actually a very, very good running, working machine. We're going to go ahead, we're going to start at the engine compartment. We'll take you completely around this skid loader, and the purpose of the video today is we're going to start, run, show you that it works, show you it does everything it's supposed to do, and we'll start you right back here. This machine is powered by the legendary Cummins 4B, which is non-turbo, naturally aspirated, 4-cylinder diesel motor. Cummins 4B has been around forever. You'll find these in the Case 580 backhoes, and you'll see them with 8, 9, 10,000 hours on them. And you'll see these skid loaders with 6,000 and 7,000 hours on them. Bulk heater here. We've had this thing in the shop. Everything's been serviced. Air filter, engine oil, hydraulic, fuel. We've been completely over this little thing. It's a really good running, working machine. It does have the remote jump points down here at the bottom at the counterweight, and does have a master switch. All the lights work. Everything closes up good. A couple little dings in the back door here. Paint, normal scratches and scrapes of the machine that year and hours. We did paint the wheels. Tires are 45 to 50%, all four match, 10/16/5s the whole way around it. Boom is not welded or busted, back windows in it. Comes with a brand new CID Extreme 66-inch bucket with 6-inch cutting edge, 3/4 thick. Standard 2-pin skid steer quick attach. Auxiliary hydraulics for running attachments. Seats in excellent condition. I did buy from Case 2 brand new boots here. They just had some cracks in them. I just wanted to put 2 brand new ones on. Headlights work. I can take you up here in the cab and I'll show you the hour meter and stuff. We'll give you a close-up of that. And this will be an all-hand control machine. Pull the seat bar down. Here you'll have your headlight switch. Shows that the operator's in the seat. The seat bar is down. Shows that you have power. Almost full tank of fuel. 42.91 on the hours. We'll start it here and show that there's no warnings. No warning lights. Down here you'll have your auxiliary hydraulic engagement. And you have foot throttle, and over here hand throttle. I'm going to turn the camera back over and we'll start it and show you everything works. starts, runs, works, handles very nice. Again, Cummins 4B engine, you can't beat them. A lot better than the Cummins Iveco engine you're out with today, which I think is a piece of junk in my opinion. But these XTs were a good machine, just like the legendary 1840s and 1845s. These are legend in their own right. Good skid loader, 60 horsepower, 1,500 pound of lift. Nice, you can move this truck around with 10,000 pound car trailer and a half-ton or three-quarter ton truck very easily and do a lot of work. If you want to combine and see this machine in person, we're welcome to do so. We have nothing to hide. 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBay.